Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple way to hide the content of comment notifications from Google Drive when they appear on your phone's lock screen. This is especially useful if you want to keep your work or personal files more private without turning off notifications completely. By adjusting just a few settings, you'll still receive alerts, but the actual content will be hidden until you unlock your device. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the options to manage apps, notifications, and privacy controls. Take a moment to scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps. Tap on that to move into a complete list of the apps installed on your device. From there, locate Google Drive in the list and select it. This will open up the app-specific settings where you can manage how the app works in the background, its permissions, and of course, its notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. Once you're in the notifications settings, you'll notice there are different categories of alerts that Google Drive can send you, such as uploads, sharing updates, and comments. To control how comments appear, go ahead and tap on Notification Categories. Now, from the available options, select Comments. This will take you directly into a dedicated set of preferences just for comment-related notifications, which makes it easy to focus only on what you want to hide. Inside this menu, tap on Lock Screen. Here, you'll see different display choices for notifications when your phone is locked. Choose Hide Content. By doing this, you'll still receive a notification letting you know there's a new comment on one of your files, but the actual text of the comment won't be visible until you unlock your device and open Google Drive. This small adjustment gives you the perfect balance between staying informed and keeping your information private. You won't lose awareness of new comments, but sensitive or personal details won't show up where anyone can see them at a glance. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've increased both your privacy and your control over how Google Drive notifications appear. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to apply it across other apps that matter to you as well. Thanks for watching.